Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman, Lord of the Fleas, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 2, Petey's Story, with many interruptions. Alright, listen carefully. This whole mess started today at sunrise. I was in my jail cell minding my own business when the guard comes in and starts messing with me. Yoo-hoo, Petey! What you doing? Nothing. Hey, you're not building a giant robot, are you? No. Oh, good. That's a relief. Well, come with me. It's time for your appointment. What appointment? You have to see the psychiatrist. I ain't seen no head shrinker. Sorry, Petey. The judge says you have to. Rats! So anyway, Petey, meet Dr. Katz. It's a pleasure to meet you, Petey. Yeah, I know.
Hey, Papa. That guy looks like the costume you wore.
Just pay attention. It'll all make sense soon.
Okay.
So anyway, my records show that you've been locked up here 7 times, and you've escaped 6 times. Yeah, well, it's been a busy week. Petey, we need to get to the root of your problems. Alright. I guess it all started when I was a kitten. I used to be in the Critter Scouts.
Hey, Papa. How come I'm wearing a hat?
That's not you. That's me when I was a kitten.
Oh.
So anyway, I used to be an awesome scout. Here's another badge for you, Petey.
Sweet.
I was on far and wide for my good deeds and merit badges. But it all ended one day when we went to play miniature golf. You kids play nice. I'm gonna go get some coffee.
Okay.
Everything started out great, but then a terrible storm arose. The whole place began to flood. We hit on a tiny boat, but the water rose higher and higher, and soon we were washed away. The storm raged for weeks and weeks. Finally, we landed on a deserted island. Well, Petey, what do we do now?
We must use our scout skills to survive. We can hunt for food, and we can use Piggy's glasses, like this, to light campfires and stuff. Together, we can build up a utopia based on hard work, respect, and civility. What do you say, fellas?
We'll try our best,
Petey.
9 minutes later, attack! Crunky the ape and Bub the crocodile had their own agenda, and soon, a pointy blade was before us, and hungry sharks with razor-sharp teeth were below us. And then...
Hey, Papa. Knock, knock.
Are you even listening?
You're supposed to say, who's there? Come on, Papa. It's a good one.
Who's there?
A flower.
A flower who?
A flower pooped on your head!
That doesn't even make sense! Look, kid, this is serious! I'm pouring my heart out to you! You need to pay attention!
Okay.
So anyway, there we were, Piggy and me, at the brink of death.
Like this!
Losing the battle between civilization and savagery. When suddenly... Hey! What are you kids doing? I was gone for 10 minutes and you progressed into maniacs! What are you, a bunch of animals? Did I find out who's responsible? Petey did it!
Wait, so that whole part about the flood in the island was all make-believe?
Well, yeah, but that's not the point. The point is, I was betrayed. And then he started a fire.
Then he set my back to the sharks.
We're trying to stop him. In the end, I got kicked out of the Critter Scouts. All my good deeds were erased. All my virtuous hard work meant nothing. Life was pointless. I guess things were never the same after that, Doc. And what about Piggy and Cookie and Bo? Oh, I got my revenge against those guys. Oh, I just made a few phone calls to the right people.
Hello? Animal Rights Union?
Soon, the whole organization was flooded with anti-discrimination lawsuits. The Critter Scouts was shut down within a week. What happened to Piggy, Cookie, and Bub? Who cares? I'll tell you what happened! Piggy?
We lost our badges too. Our lives became pointless as well, and we began planning our own revenge against you! Cookie and Bub are waiting outside, and now we've got you. We're gonna destroy someone you love. Your little clone.
Wait, you love me?
Just pay attention.
Okay.
So anyway, then we're gonna take over the world in a giant robo-brontosaurus. It's parked outside.
Oh God! That's not good. An evil pig just spoke in, and so looks Petey. I'll save it, Petey! Come on, Petey! I'm coming for you! Oh, Crocky! Oh, Bob! Yeah, Bob? Nope, that's good. Okay, Bob. Mariana! We're open! Bye, Dr. Cat. So long, sucker. Ha ha! So that's why I came to get you, and that's why we need to get as far away from here as possible.
But Papa, if the bad guys got locked up, why are we running?
Because they'll probably escape.
But how can they escape from a maximum security prison?
Who knows? Maybe something dumb will happen.